Hi, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to take you through how to create a full blog site using Blogger. So, first of all, you have to log into your Blogger. But you could see I already have account with Blogger. So, you could see I'm using Blogger already. So, for new ones who wants to start, all you need is a Gmail account that you can use. So first you have to go to your Google Chrome, search for Blogger. Once you search for the Blogger, once it opens, you click on create a unique and a beautiful. Then it starts click by creating your blog site. But with this, we are using the Scholar Hub for beginners. So once you create your account, then you could see over here we have post, we have comment, we have earning pages, layout, themes, settings, list, then view blog. So you can see I've already created 3 posts on my site, on my blog site, on the blogger. So what we do here is this. Okay, so we are going to create extra posts so that you know how to create a post yourself. So I'm going to copy an article from another site. For those of you who can write articles, you can paste in your article with your title and everything. So by with this tutorial, only going to copy from another site. So let's copy this. Once we have copied, we go back to post. Okay, we paste it here. Need to paste it. Okay, the space is too much, so just need a little space. Okay, then we go back. Let me copy this one too. Okay, copy this. I think it's okay. Let me copy it. Then let me paste it there. Okay, so I'm going to I need to put in a title. Okay, so I'll copy this for my title. I'm going to cut it, use that as my title. Now you could see, let me paste it here. Okay, so I've pasted my title. That's my title. So I will need to create maybe a tagline or something for category, then tags. You can use the label part on your right side. Then go to copy international. Okay, then you put comma, then you paste it also there as well. Now once you are done, over here you could see we have publish on. It indicates the date. Then we have our permalink. You can use the automatic permalink or you can customize it. We also have the location at the other side. You can also leave it options. The options for comments, to allow comments, do not allow as well. So once we are done, we are going to look for an image. Okay, so let's go through and see what type of image you will use. We wait for it to load, for us to download it. So let's go with this image. Okay, we download this image. Once we download it, I will take you through on how to put your image on your post articles as well. So let's go back to our blogger. Now on the top side, you could see insert image. So let us insert image from our computer. But if you're using your phone, to be insert image from your phone, then you click on it to okay. So let's upload the image. Open, then wait for it to load. Once you wait for it to load, okay, now drag it a little bit. Okay, think it's okay. So, okay, over here we have subtitles, we have major heading, we have subheading, we have minor heading, paragraph, and normal. Now, over here is based on the size. Then also here we have fonts. Any fonts you want to change it to. Then we have the undo and redo. Then over here we have what we call HTML view, then compose view. Now the particular one you are seeing is the compose view. Now if you change it to HTML view, you see only the codes. So that's what we are seeing here right now. So we move back to our compose view. Then we have bold, italic, underline, a whole lot of them over here. That you can use these tools to change or how you want to use it. So yeah, done. Okay. So those of you who wants to create a backlink, you can highlight a link. Okay, you can highlight the text. So we are going to back to our post here. Then we can copy a URL from this site to create a backlink. So this was how to create a backlink. Okay, then we click on it. Then we click on apply to open on another tab. You can see I've created a backlink. There are varieties of backlinks on this post as well. So you can see. Then we have, this is where you can insert image. We have photos, blogger by URL. So normally I use the upload from computer since I'm using my computer. So we have blogger, URL, and other stuff. So this is where if you want to upload a video for your YouTube channel or from your PC, this is where you also go. Then we have icons. Those of you who like to put in emojis like icons, these kind of icons on your post, you can use that. Then we have, this place is the left align, we have center align, then we have right alignment, then justify. Okay, all these are alignments, and the remaining tools are all there that you can use as well. So you could see we have right align, adjust, justify. Then we have a lot of tools here where you can use all of them. You see all these tools can help you. We have the quotation, then all these are all tools that you can use to create your content how you want, how you like to use it as well. So all these tools will help you. Now right here is where you can, if you want to change the language of your text from English to any language, this is where you can go to help you to do that. Then you see, let's publish. Okay, we click on download. Okay, now we are done publishing one of the posts. So we have like, see, we have four. So let's go and create pages. Over here, you could see we don't have pages created yet. You could see we don't have a page created yet. So we are going to create a page. I'm going to create a page. I'm going to show you how to be able to generate to create a home page. So I'm going to create a page. Okay, create a page. So let's create, let's say about us generator. We're going to use about us generator. So there's one that I normally use. That's the grow by net.net. We're going to try that one. This here. Let's just wait for it to load. Now, one thing about this is it asks you certain things. You just fill in those details, and it gives you an option where you can create multiple content for maybe about us, contact us, privacy policy, terms and condition, all those things. This particular site generate all of them at a go for you. So check, let's look at the name of our site, put in the name of your site, email. If you have an email, you put in your email. Then we move to company's website. So just put in the name of the company's website. So put in an address to ask you for an address so you can use. If you are from Lagos, if you are from Ghana, whichever country you are, you can put in the name for this. Then country, we change it. Let's write United Kingdom or UK or US here. Okay, so here is where it's going to ask you for an additional. If you want to, by using this particular place, you only indicate what your site deals in, the niche of your site, and what your viewers will have to be expecting from your site and stuff. So it uses this particular part to help you generate all the pages document you want to use. So you could see I'm writing my own. So you can see I'm writing my own. Yeah. So once I'm done, I'm going to take privacy, about us, terms and condition. Okay. So I'm going to click on generate. Then I'll have to wait for it to generate all this page content for me to use on different pages. Now you can see it has generated it. Privacy, and this is the about us. We'll copy this. Let's go to back. Then let's paste our content here. Okay. So if we check in the spaces in between, more, we can just close it a little. So we can close this spaces a little. You can choose to leave it if you want to. So let's publish it. Click on confirm. Now we're going to create another one for, we're going to copy this for privacy. Okay, so let's paste it here. Okay, scroll. Okay, let's see. I think this one is not necessary. Let's remove it. Okay, and let me copy privacy and put it on the after its name, put it on the title. Okay, and let's publish it. So you can do for the remaining ones as well. Create another one again. Same procedure for terms and condition. You copy, come here, create new page, you paste it. Okay, okay, get to cut it and put it on the. Okay, that's it. Then the spaces are too much. Now with this, I'm going to use subheading. Going to create subheadings for most of them. Okay, edit subheading and create subheadings for most of them to make it look as outstanding, so that can make it look as outstanding. No, then okay. I think this one is not necessary. Remove it. Okay, put United States. Yeah. Then let's do the same for this as well. Then we publish, confirm. We can go back. to do. Okay, the cookies policy. So we create another one. We paste this one, the same procedure as we did for the other one. Okay, give it some same thing. Use the same procedure. Same procedure. Let's use the same procedure for the other one. Yeah. So once everything is okay, then we can publish. Make this one bold. Okay, make this one sub heading. Then I think this one is not really necessary. Okay. I'm going to copy the cookies policy to cut and put it on the title. Then I can publish it now. Now I think it will be left with the contact us page. So we are going to create the contact us page. Just type contact us page generator. There are varieties of them. Choose from the one that is okay for you to use. So we're going to choose the one we think is best for us. And once we choose, wait for it to load. Okay, we have a lot here you can use. So we are going to generate that. So we put in our details, the company's name, which is the Scholar Hub. Then from there we add our site. Let's copy this URL. Repost. Okay. Then we have to create my email. I use Control V to paste. So I'm going to remove this part. Okay. So you click on generate code. Then you have to copy that. Then go back, create. Okay, so we type contact us for the title, just like we did for the others. We come back here, we paste, copy it, go back, then we paste it here. Like we see, it shows only the code, so we delete it. Let's move back to the HTML view. Then we remove all this, then we paste it, then convert it back to compose view, then click OK. Now let's, if everything is okay, we publish it. So the ones that is not needed, you remove it. Okay, let's remove this part. So you can customize it to suit how you want it. Once you're done, you publish it. Now we move to themes. Now over here, I'm going to use a premium theme. So over here, you go to HTML, edit HTML, you wait for it to load. There are varieties of free themes here that you can use, but normally I prefer to use the premium themes. So on my comment section, that's my description section, I'm going to put a URL, a link for you where you can go and download a premium theme, where you can get thousands of premium themes to download from my site. So you can see these are the old themes that we have over there. So we are going to open the one we have already downloaded. We are going to extract it. Wait for it to load in. I have one here I would like us to use. So okay, this one. So we are going to extract it. Let's extract file. And okay. Oh yeah. We open it. Look for the one that has the HTML. That's the top, I think. Okay, this one. Then we are going to open it with Notepad. Then select all, that's Control A. copy, go back to our site HTML. So then over here, I'm going to select Control A to select all, Control V to paste the one I copied, Control V to paste the one I copied. Okay, so now on the right side, you could see a saved icon. Once you paste the codes, you save, wait for it to process it. Once it's done, you can go back. Now let's go back. Okay, so we go back to the layout. We go to the layout section. Wait for it to load. Okay, now you can see how the layout is. So here is the main logo. If you have a logo, you tap on the pencil to see. I don't have a logo, so I only type the site title. So if you want to upload the logo, tap on this particular place to upload the logo. Then click on save. Since I'm using only the right tab. So now over here we have the main menu. This is the main menu. We're going to delete few of them that we will not need. So let's delete some few ones. And put our customize it ourselves to suit what we want. Delete this one. Okay, let me see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to duplicate this page so that it will help me to be able to copy the page's URL to make it more attracting. So wait for it to load. Okay, so we are going to this particular side. We'll go to the pages. Okay, so we are going to add about that. So you click on share icon here, then you copy the URL. That's the link. Click on copy link. Then you move to the other tab which have the layout. Then go to main menu. Now on the main menu we have home already. We have features. We edit it, we remove it, put about us. Put about us. You put about us. And put the URL under it. Then do the same thing for the other ones. Remove this one. Contact us. Then we move to the other tab. We are going to copy the URL of that one as well. Then copy link. Come back here. We are going to remove this site URL. Then paste our own. Then go here. Okay. We are going to put privacy. Let's copy privacy. Okay. Copy link. Move to the next one. Okay. So here, the site URL. Paste this here. Then change this to privacy policy. Okay, so once you are done, save. Then over here, move this from there. Okay, let me move this. Now my URL, I'm going to put in my YouTube channel here. Someone you might have another external site you would prefer to also link it so you can use, but over here I prefer to use my YouTube channel as the video, so depend on you. So I'm putting my YouTube channel URL. Then I'm going to save it. Save. And once I'm done, I'll click on save. Good. Now we go to the social widget. Then over here we put our social URL. That's our Facebook URL. Get to put my Facebook URL. Type my Facebook URL here. That's com/Richardson Junior. Okay. going to save. Once I'm done, I'm going to copy this so that I wouldn't have to type all over for others. So this is Twitter. I'm going to paste here. I'm going to remove Facebook, put Twitter. Okay, since it's X, so you go to put X. Okay, so I'm going to save it. The same thing for the others. But if you don't have any account with the remaining ones, you can choose to leave it. You can choose to delete it as well. So I'm going to do for Instagram since I don't have the remaining ones. So I choose to leave them. You can also choose to delete or change them if you want. Now over here is the main post. Now over here the default is 7. You can choose to make it any number you want. So mostly the default articles to show on the home page is 7. So if you choose, you can choose 8 or even more. You can type any amount you want. I prefer the default one, which is the 7. Now over here we have the sidebar. Now on the sidebar we have most popular, then other. We have most popular. You can tap on the pencil, you choose and edit it. We have subscribers. We have this. Okay, you can choose to also leave it or edit. We have categories. This is just like I told you before. Okay, so I select this one. Yeah, you can choose or leave it. So same thing applies to the tags. Okay, so the same we have here, same thing we have here, same thing, you can leave them. Then we move to the footer menu. So this will do the same thing like about us. We to copy the URL just like we did for the main menu. You remove this and paste it. Then I save. Do the same thing for about us. Okay, copy. Wait for it to copy link. Okay, I'm going to pin the back. Remove this URL. Then paste my own. Then I can now I have only this. I'm going to create more. So I'm going to add terms and condition. Someone might use terms and conditions. Some too might use terms of use. So we use terms and conditions. Okay. Then over here is the URL. Go back to copy terms and conditions policy URL. Copy. Then paste it here. Save. Do the same again for cookies policy. Copy the link. Move there. Okay. I'm going to type the, okay, let's paste the URL. Okay. Then we type the title here. The name. That's cookies policy. Then we save. I think it's okay. So we save it. Now we are good to go back to your settings. Now over here we have the title, we have description. This is the title of our site. That's Scholar Hub too. Scholar Hub. Then we move to description. Okay, so on this description, I'm going to use a little bit content from here. Copy some nice content. Now, okay, I think this one is okay. Then paste. Okay, so you can save. And we have those who want to connect Google Analytics. If you have a favicon, you can post it. You can also upload your favicon. You have privacy and policy. You can leave it for search engine. Then those who have custom domain who wants to fix it instead of using the subdomain, which is the blogger spot, you can choose that option as the custom. Then all these are settings you have to check. You make use check. Okay, we have lazy load here. I'm going to check it. Then check this as well. Okay, so we have comments, emails. This indicates. Okay, so we have meta tag, grower, and indexing. You can check it for robots to make it index. Then you can also connect your Google Search Console as well. So this is statics. This is where you could check or know the number of page views you have as well. Then we have the earnings. If you have AdSense account linked to this, you can click on it to connect to your AdSense account. Back to your settings. Okay, so thank you for watching, and for those who have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And if you have a subscribe to my channel, please do like, share, and comment. I really appreciate for those who watch. If you have any issue or facing any challenges, kindly leave a comment on this video or check the description part. I'll put going to put in my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp channel over there, where you can get in touch with me. Then I can guide you or help you through. So thank you for watching. For watching. Okay. Bye.